Everyone, welcome. Today we are going to talk about why in India Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August and Republic Day on 26 Jan. We know we got the independence on 15 August, that's why it is celebrated. But why we got the independence, we are going to see that. And we know that we got Republic on 26 January. But why that constitution which was implemented that has to be implemented on 26 January only? It would have been implemented on 1st Jan. So we are going to see these regions. Okay, so first let's we talk about why Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January. So what happened, guys, that India got independence on 15 August 1947, and our constitution making process had already started. The constitution assembly was formed in the somewhere in December 1946. So the constitution was completed on 26 November 1949. That's why 26 November is celebrated as a Constitution Day, because on 26th November our constitution was completed, 26 November 1949. But it was implemented on 26 January 1950. That is the Republic Day of India. But why it was implemented on 26 January? See friends, because in the 1929 in Lahore session of Congress, it was decided that from the 1930 onward, 26 January will be celebrated as the Independence Day of India. But we got the independence on 5th, sorry, 15th August. So now this 26 January it was remaining, so they made to implement the constitution on 26 January 1950, and that's why we started celebrating the Republic Day on 26 January. Okay, now next topic is why the Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August, and why we got the independence on 15 August only? Because the law for the India Independence Act for the Indian independence, which was it was passed in the July 1947, and the Mountbatten, the last viceroy of India, he has the time up to June 1948 to transfer the power. But why he decided to transfer the power earlier? See friends, what happened when he came to India? Lord Mountbatten, when came to India with this law, it the situation in India was going worst. Day by day, it was deteriorating. So it was he decided, or the British government decided, to transfer the power as early as possible, because they don't wanted to take the all the blame on themselves, that or because of them the India is suffering due to the communal violence which was prevailing at that time. So to he decided that to transfer the power as early as possible, and so that Indians should manage them. We are not responsible, they can say to the world. So it was on Lord Mountbatten to decide the day on which the transfer of power had to take place. Now, why he decided 15 August only to transfer the power? This is because in 1945, during the Second World War, then on 15 August 1945, the Japan has surrendered and the World War came to end. That's why, to celebrate the second anniversary of World War II and Japanese surrender, he decided to transfer the power on 15 August 1947, and that's why we got the independence on 1947. Yes, 15 August. That is very important. I hope, guys, this had been clear to you why we celebrate the Independence Day and why we celebrate the Republic Day on that days. That the Republic Day on 26 January and the Independence Day on 15 August. I hope it was very useful to you to make a difference between them. Okay, subscribe and share to your friends.